Hello, puzzlers! Welcome back to Garb Studio. Today, let's test your flag knowledge. We'll throw down 20 flags. Let's see how many you can get right. Number 1.
Canada.
Number 2.
Australia.
Number 3.
England.
Number 4.
India.
Number 5.
China.
Number 6.
Japan.
Number 7.
South Africa.
Number 8.
Brazil.
Number 9.
Germany.
Number 10.
France.
Number 11.
Turkey.
Number 12.
Netherlands.
Number 13.
South Korea.
Number 14.
Sweden.
Number 15.
Romania.
Number 16.
Poland.
Number 17.
Philippines.
Number 18.
Argentina.
Number 19.
Pakistan.
Number 20.
Italy.
Thank you for flagging with me. Feeling like a flag expert? Time to test your friends. Subscribe for more brain teasers and flag fun. Leave a comment with your trickiest flag.